Hi Riker, I remembered that there's another way to create hanging indents in Word, so I'll demo this for you and maybe this will work better with your version of Word. So the first step is again to highlight the text that you want to create for hanging indents. And then the second step, you're going to use the margin tools. So these little triangles and square are ways that you can adjust the margin. And there are 3 different tools for adjusting the margin. One is the down pointing triangle, one is the up pointing triangle, and the third is the square. So you can see when I hover over just the square, it says left indent, and when I hover over the top triangle, the top down pointing triangle, it says first line indent. So there's 2 steps. The first step is to drag the entire text in, and I'm going to bring it to that 1/2 inch point on the page, 1/2 inches in from the left margin. And then I'm going to use just the top triangle, hover my cursor over the top down pointing triangle, and click on that and drag it back to the left edge of the left margin. And you'll see now that created my hanging indents for me. So that might be an even easier way than what I demonstrated in the earlier video for the class. So let me know if that works for you.